Andrea Williams and I'm here with Ruth Bakery, and she's going to show us how to make a weed detox salad. So show us, how does it work? What are you going to do?
Well, it's pretty easy. So you just take some minus lettuce, about 1 cup.
Yep.
So you can make it as chunky or as fine as you like. But I quite like the stems. Some people don't necessarily want to eat the stems, but I quite like them because they're quite crunchy. It's almost a little bit like celery.
Oh, nice.
And then just
That's beautiful.
place that all in there. And then we are going to put half a cup of the chickweed here. So once you squish it in, it's mostly around half a cup. This has a bit more of a stronger flavour, but it's still not too bad.
And it's very nutritive, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
great.
A bit finer. And
love the choice of herbs you're putting in here.
yeah, and I've got 1/4 cup, but this is just choice of what people like in their salads. So
yes.
If you've got children and some people are a bit fussy, they might not like such a bitter taste. So, but if people like it, have more. It's just totally up to you. And so I've just got that here, and then we're going to put some lovely marigolds. So maybe could you take off some petals and sprinkle them around?
I sure can.
So I was going to take 6 flower heads, petals. These are called the rays. So they're quite pretty. This just gives it such a lovely colour.
It's good to colour coordinate your salads because you know then you're getting a good amount of antioxidants.
Yeah.
Which is very, very good.
And kids love to do this.
They do, don't they?
I just can't remember how much we're up to. I think we're probably
I've
about
got 3
right.
here.
Yeah. Now, because
Yep,
we've
we are
only
about
got
right there.
because we've only got small tomatoes, we'll just use the whole lot, and that just makes it look amazing. And we've got some avocado, which everybody will be fighting over.
It's lovely and green, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely and ripe.
And we've got some dressing, which we've
tell
made
me
up.
what you put in your dressing.
So I've got 2 tablespoons of oil.
Yep.
And
Oh, what sort of oil did you use?
just used olive oil.
Oh, yes.
You could use a different oil if you wished.
Yes.
And I've got just some raw cider vinegar,
And how much of that did you put in?
2 tablespoons.
Oh, wow.
And then I've got some mustard seeds, and I'm just going to sprinkle that on top.
Looks very tangy and tasty.
Yeah. Of course you don't have to use these ingredients. It's just a nice way to drizzle it on, and just to help cover up the bitterness of some of the things that some people might not like.
I suppose you could put sweet vegetables like your capsicum in there as well to sweeten it up, couldn't you?
Roasted kurma, that would be nice.
So you put lots of different things in there.
And then to finish, just do a couple of sprinkles of salt.
Well, this
And
looks amazing. You're getting this, it's very, very
we
good.
are ready to have
Wow.
a detox party.
I think that looks very, very good. Well, thank you for showing us how to do it. It looks amazing. And it's just amazing that we can go in our backyard. God's created all this, all the herbs as people call weeds, but they actually have therapeutic benefits and we can actually use them. So we're very, very blessed. So thanks so much.
You're welcome.